Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a quick and simple breakfast idea. On my Instagram I shared a picture of cornmeal porridge. This is something that I had in the morning for breakfast and someone asked me how to make it and I thought, oh, I can make a video about that. So I'm going to show you how I make cornmeal porridge. Lots of people make cornmeal porridge different ways, but this is how I make it personally, and I'm using date paste to sweeten my cornmeal porridge, but you can use sugar or maple syrup, and I use whatever. So today I just decided to use date paste, but you can use whatever you want. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram because I do share recipes or just food that I'm making on there that I don't necessarily share on this channel. So if you're on Instagram and you'd like more food ideas, do check me out at Gluten-Free Plant Taste. So let's get on with this video. To make my cornmeal porridge, I'm using coconut milk, but you can use whatever plant-based milk you have at home. Then I added some bay leaf, cinnamon, and ground mixed spice. The ground mixed spice has got cinnamon in it, but I wanted a bit of extra cinnamon, so I added more cinnamon to my milk. Then I brought that all to a boil, and now I'm adding some vanilla, giving that a good mix. And it's time to add my sweetener. I'm using date paste here, but you can use maple syrup, sugar, or whatever you use as your sweetener. The date paste did give my cornmeal porridge a darker look, but that's completely fine for me. If you prefer your cornmeal to have a brighter yellow look, you can use another form of sweetener. And here I've just got the cornmeal mixed with some water, and I'm adding it to the mix, and I'm stirring continuously to prevent any lumps from forming in the porridge. And then I will leave this on the cooker to cook for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add a bit of sea salt later on and give this a taste test to see if it's got enough sugar to my preference, and you will do it according to your preference as well. And then this is essentially how you make cornmeal porridge at home. It's quick and it's simple. It's a delicious breakfast. It's filling, and then later on you'll see that I've topped my porridge with the fruits and seeds that I prefer. Thank you for watching, and do remember to hit the subscribe button only if you like this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.